Ready? Kill him! Nice. Send Mav. Right in the pocket. It's cold out, folks. We got snow finally. We got snow. It's cold.
What's that?
Yeah. Oh, it is chilly. What do you think, Adam? We gonna get them?
Oh yeah, we're gonna get them.
We're gonna get them. We're gonna get them in the snow. Oh yeah, tumbleweed for days. That good old tumbleweed. All right. The old.
Just dump them out here.
Yeah, just take a few. I just gotta get this. Just gotta get to the sleeper shells. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Michael McNeil, and I'm bringing you my best hunts from all over the world. Today it is late season. It is January, and we are hunting Canada geese today. That's right, we are out. It's freaking cold today. It's about 9 degrees, northeast wind, and we're pretty excited to hunt this field. There was a pile of Canada geese in here last night, so we are on the X, and we have a massive spread out today. I'm standing in the middle of it. You can see here, we got 25 dozen sleeper shells, and then about 6 dozen full bodies kind of scattered out through it in little pods and stuff. So we're in a giant pea field. We haven't had any snow, but finally we're getting a little bit. You can see it's kind of spitting a little bit, getting a little bit of snow on the ground. Snow late season helps. It makes the decoys pop. And anyway, so we're gonna get out here and we're gonna get after some giant honkers. We are doing an edge hide. You can see here, there's the blind, and got 6 of us, and we're pretty excited. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you'll be the first one to know when I release a new video, and let's just see if we can't make some big old honkers rain. So as you can see, it's snowing out today, and we got snow accumulating on the decoys. So what you do is you bring yourself your DeWalt leaf blower, give them a blow, and don't just do the top of the decoy. See this, how it makes the dark? I'm kind of blowing around the snow away from it. Those dark spots are going to stick out, and it's going to look like the snow is actually kind of melting around it. And actually, when geese lay down, if you watch them, they actually melt the snow where they're laying, and it makes it look way more realistic. So don't just hit the decoy. If you got a little dusting like this, hit the whole thing, and you can make a little bit bigger of a dark spot, and those dark spots are going to stick out from a long ways away too. So it's a little tip today. What we got there? You guys want to learn how to call Labradors? Just go like that. Ooh, Labradors love them Cheetos. Cheeto. Damn dog's so spoiled. Uh-oh. Kill him! Blue. Snow, snow, snow. Snow and cold, ladies and gentlemen. That's what happens. Right in the old pocket. We're just eating some Cheetos and first two come in and they just absolutely ate it. Man, that's awesome. So if you've been following my channel for a long time, I've always said, and you've maybe heard me hear it, but if you haven't, an act of nature, an act of God, when it comes to waterfowl hunting, deer hunting, whatever, fronts, snow, fog, rain, heavy wind, even on stale birds and birds that have been hunted a very, very long time and getting a lot of pressure, weather can make them absolutely stupid, and that's what we have going on here today. We have snowfall and it's coming down good. It's a cold 15, 16 degree morning. The snow is dropping, the barometric pressure's down. These birds are super hungry right now and they're gonna feed aggressively, and that should make for some damn good video today. And those first two, man, they just absolutely ate it, and everybody's got big old smiles on their face down the blind. So we're hoping for some more, and hopefully we get a big old flock in here. We can really make them rain for you. So stay tuned. That was pretty sick. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Kill him, Gramps. Kill him, Gramps. Holy.
Good job, Mike.
Had to save the day. Right up the old 5-hole. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see the snow falling all around us here. It's snowing. You just can't get a better day to hunt Canada geese, giant Canada geese, late season than when it's snowing like this. Is what dreams are made of, this situation. And I'm glad you guys are with me here to check this out. But we're all sitting here and the snow's accumulating on everybody, and we're having some snacks and drinking some coffee and shooting some big old Canada geese. And man, it's so cool to have the snow falling down like this. This is what you get up in the morning. This is why you lift all them weights. Kill that one in the hole. Nice shooting. There you go, boys. That's how you do it. They wouldn't stick together. They just would not stick together, ladies and gentlemen. Don't come down. Ready? Caught him! Three, all but one. All but one.
How about the one I shot at? Look at him go.
Sorry guys, I got a little left.
Look at him go. He'll come back.
That was cool.
There we go. Very nice.
Sorry. Blue. Here, boat. Here. Back. 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 Ready? Kill him! Nice. Send Mav. Right in the pocket. Kill him! Kill him! There we go. Come on. It was so much fun watching these honkers come in, man. We are sitting pretty good here. I think we're just a little over 2/3 of our way to our limit here, and I think we're doing pretty gosh dang good, man. That's so much fun. These honkers are these late season, fool these late season birds when they've been shot at for so long. It really feels good, so stick around. Lay down. Yep. Kill him. There we go. Wasn't the two we were after, but we'll take them. That big flock circled, and all of a sudden that two-pack just showed up. So, alrighty then, right in the pocket. My boat. Come on, boat.
Good boy, Val. Here. Good boy. Good boy. Here.
Here we go. Come here. Good dog. Good dog. Big old pair of honkers. Big old pair. Boy, that's a big goose, ladies and gentlemen. Ain't that big? Kill him! Nice shooting, guys. That was that same single, back single off that big group. He finally decided to come back. So we were calling a big flock, and that one really wanted it, and we let him go past, and all of a sudden he decided to come back and give her right up, and Blue's giving him a free ride back to the blind. Good boy, Blue. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Drop it. Good boy. Good boy. Big old honker. Make 'em rain! Oh, there goes another one. Blue. So I always say that you guys get to miss out on some of the good cool stuff that Blue gets to do because this camera doesn't go very far, but you guys just tell the people so that they hear it from somebody else other than me. What happened?
We dropped one. It had been close to half a mile away, and just to watch Mike work that dog, and that dog can see and just got it in him. I can't believe it. I've never seen a dog work like that in my life, and just to experience it is just unbelievable.
So that's somebody else tooting my dog's own horn, and here he comes back with it. That was about a half-mile retrieve. Bring. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, good dog. Good dog. Good boy. Good boy. And no band. Gosh darn it. That's a big goose too. He'll finally start sleeping. Kill him. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we had an absolute banger of a hunt. We shot a full limit, 30 giant Canada geese. That was so much fun. I hope you guys love this late season goose hunting, you know, and make sure you keep tuning in. There's other videos on my YouTube channel here. If you haven't checked them out, there's 50, 60, 70 videos on here, so there's a pile of them. So make sure you check out the other videos, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, give me that so that we can keep bringing you these videos, and until next time, make them rain.